Hey, what's up, guys? Back again with another random pack rip. Hobby packs, all the time here. I got a bunch of stuff today, ranging from all sorts of spectrums. All I got down at Finnegan Sports Cards, 518-218-0578, down in Albany, New York. And I'm just going to open these up for you guys, and we'll see what we got together. Kind of messed up today because my man, the Black Panther, died, and very unexpectedly. And I don't know, just seems like he was a really good guy, and I guess shitty things happen to good people, I guess. So R.I.P. Chadwick. All right, now I got that out of the way. Let me show you some of the dollar cards I picked up. Charles Barkley, was that a 95-96 Fleer Metal? Chavis Bowman's Best. Rushman's Bowman Best Insert, a Keston Hero rookie card from Topps Update. Adley Rushman and Wander from Bowman's Best. Like I said, these were all $1, so I figured why not. Dylan Cease Silver Holofoil, Premier Level. And a Jesus Luzardo base card. All right, that does it for that. Let's rip open some packs, guys. Happy Saturday to everybody. I hope everybody's having a good one. And we're going to start with some 2020 Diamond Kings. Sorry, I got the fans and the air conditioning and everything going today. It is hot as hell up in upstate New York. Well, not really hot, just it's really gross outside. It's like 80 degrees and like 100% dew and 100% humidity. Start out with the nice one there with Jordan. And a Dustin May. Willie Castro rookie. And we got a hit in our first pack. Harvey Kuhn. Oh, I thought it was going to be auto, but it is a Bo Bichette quad. Not bad at all. It is unnumbered, I believe. Unnumbered. But still, a nice quad of Bo Bichette. Rounding out the plaque. Plaque. Vladdy Guerrero and Ty Cobb. Off to a pretty decent start so far. Second pack of 2020 Donruss. Sorry, let's get my trash all settled over there. Babe Ruth, that's a nice one. I'll take a Babe Ruth card. Chris Bryant, Joe Wood, Roger Maris, Dylan Cease rookie. Hey, we got the auto too. Michael Baez. Just a base auto, I believe. Yep, unnumbered, but a Michael Baez autograph. How about that? You pick two packs and you get both hits. Not too shabby. Then we got a Matt Chapman in the zone and Ted Williams Diamond Kings. We'll save the Topps Chrome for like later. Oh, I got what? Some 29. Let's see if I was able to do it 2 times in a row. 2019 Diamond Kings. Well, there's a thick card in there. And we got another hit. There's a Miggy. Andujar. Not that Miggy. Jake Bowers. Lou Gehrig. Matt Chapman. Bat Kings, and what the hell is that? There's a piece of schmeckel up in there. I don't know what that is because there's not any patches on Bat cards. So Bat King with a little piece of bonus, I don't know, cardboard or something in there. Matt Chapman. 3 for 3 for hits. How about that? Then we got a Shohei Gallery of Stars. Tony Gwynn. Jonathan Davis rookie card and a Garrett Hampson rookie card. All right, no thick cards this time. Carpenter, Keller, Nola. No way. Okay, I was gonna say if I got another hit, that would be crazy. Duggar. I thought that was his rookie, or maybe not. Duggar, Plum, Grover Alexander. And we got a Kyle Wright, Nolan, and David Fletcher rookie. Oh, what else we got here? Let's do this stuff. I like this stuff. So I got a few packs of these. Maybe not. Actually, we'll hold on to that. Move to Topps Heritage 2020. Looking for some decent high numbers or maybe a chrome. Jake Lamb, Jock Peterson, Anthony Rizzo, Ryan Braun, New Age Performers, Jordan Alvarez, Zach Plesac, Cueto, Swanson, and Jesus. No high numbers there. Gallo, Nate Lowe, Brandon Nimmo, Michael Conforto, Scott Oberg, Tom Murphy, Anthony Santander, Ian Kinsler, and Darwinzon Hernandez. Again, shut out of the high numbers. That's a gross base pack. I've never opened this stuff before. It was like $3 a pack. So I was like, yeah, why not throw it in there? Golden Age. I'm going to start out with a Tris Speaker. Red Grange Tip Top. Oh boy, cards are all sorts of falling out. A mini. Who is that? Bobby Richardson mini with a bunch of bats. Stephen Cawthon, Triple Crown jockey. Jake Daubert. And Willie Pip. Golden Age number 2. Sham. Carl Yastrzemski. Max Baer Jr. David Pollock from the Bad News Bears. Sparky Anderson and Mel Ott. Okay, what else we got? All right, let's do some of this 2012 Bowman draft picks and prospects. Looking for Corey Seager. Jacob Stallings, a rookie card of Norichika Aoki. Chrome is going to be Jimmy Ryder, first Bowman Chrome. Got an orange, number to 250. Of Brian Lippincott, Sean Valerie, I'm sorry, I can't pronounce his name. Refractor, first Bowman. Then we got Austin Schatz and Brian De La Rosa. Chris Cowell, rookie card of Casey Drosby, Jose Quintana rookie, another Sean Vallerite, Jeremy Lucas refractor, Dylan Cousins first Bowman, that's not bad, and Austin Dean. 2016 Topps, or 2016, 2019 Topps, Series 1, looking for Brandon Lau. Be nice. Charlie Blackmon, Jake Bowers rookie, and Dwayne Underwood rookie, Danny Jansen rookie. Albert Almora, Carlos Correa, Byron Buxton gold, Jesus Aguilar, Hector Rondon, Shane Bieber future stars, Chris Taylor, Randall Grichuk, and Ian Kennedy. What year is this? I believe this is 2016 Optic. Strasburg. Aaron Nola. Rated rookie auto on card. I'll take it. Dansby Swanson, the prospects. That's a nice one. And Zach Greinke, Diamond Kings. Hey, here's 2016 Topps. Series 1. No? All right. Got a Rizzo, Familia, Ian Kinsler, Johnny Peralta. That's cool. Perspectives. Omar Infante, Steven Piscotty rookie, Colin Ray rookie, Jake Peavy, and Chase Utley. Ooh, hold on one second. Get my stuff together. Let's do some football. 2015 Prism. Vernon Davis, Calvin Johnson, Jamison Crowder, Silver Hollow rookie, and Chris Connolly, base rookie. Crowder, Silver Hollow's not bad. Did I get any more of that? Doesn't look like it. Oh, I did. I have 2 packs of that. 2015 Prism again. Steve Smith Jr. Die cut air marshals of Aaron Rodgers, and that's a hollow. Silver Flacco and DeAndrew White rookie card. All right. Now what? 2014, I believe. Yep. Perennial Prism draft picks. I like this stuff, and it's cheap. Stuff's loaded with rookies that are hitting this year. Nick Birdie, Nick Torres, Nick Wells, Luke Dykstra, and Rusney Castillo. Sean Reed Foley, Gavin LaValle, Jace Fry, Max George Silver, and Davey Grulian. All right, what else we got? Let's do some score. 2020 score hobby. Quick flip through the base, looking for the Mahomeses and possibly the Bradys, and it doesn't look like we're going to get any. It's not a bad one. Scorecard Judy, unnumbered, still a nice card. Joe Burrow draft. Breakthrough of DJ Moore, celebration, and a Michael Pittman Jr. autograph. Not too shabby. Rookies: Kinlaw, Hightower, Parkinson, Swift, Jalen Hurts, James Robinson, Perrine, Justin Herbert, and Epinesa. Not a bad pack to score at all right there. All right, now we're getting down to the meat and potatoes stuff. Let's do this 2016 Topps Update Jumbo. No thick cards in there. Aaron Nola, rookie debut. Fister, Contreras rookie. Austin Jackson. Keek Heffer rookie. Tim Anderson rookie. That's a nice one. I don't have that one. Clevenger rookie. This is nice. Bryce Harper. Tyler White rookie. Malik Smith rookie. Miguel Sano rookie debut. Matt Perk rookie. Brett Lowry. That card looked different to me. Tommy Joseph rookie. Ichiro. Chasing 3K. 3,000 hit club, Al Kaline. Andrew McCutchen, Topps Fire preview. Wow, we got the rookie out of this too. Or the auto. Cody Reed. So yeah, scouting report on Cody Reed, not too good. And finishing out that pack, any more rookies? AJ Bree. Oh, I'm passing them by. Jet Bandy. AJ Reed. Sung Hwan Ho, rookie. And Chance the Rapper throwing out the first pitch. Chance the Rapper. All right, let's do this 2020 Topps Series 2. I think I got 3 packs out there. I'm not tripping. Did I take them all on? Nope, must have only gotten 2. Oh well. Look for Luis Robert. Gerlich rookie. Brock Burke. Vladdy 2030. Jerickson Profar and New York State of Mind. John Birdie rookie. Yelich, Warriors of the Diamond. And a whole bunch of base. Let's do Archives. Give me the Lee Mazzelli. Want the Lee Mazzelli. Dustin May rookie. Bob Feller, Luke Gehrig, David Wright, Adrian Morjan, Tony Gonsolin, 55, Robin Yount, and AJ Puck. Neither of them are short prints. Nice cornfield auto would be cool. Kerry Wood. A black Yordan Alvarez to 99. I will take that over a fan favorite auto all day. Sam Hilliard rookie and Brusdar Graterol rookie. That's a nice card. All right, we got 2 packs of Optic and 1 pack of Chrome to go. First pack of Optic. Brandon Lau. Matt Olson. Trace Barrera, number to 50. Black. Trace Barrera, rated rookie. Very nice. Other pack of Optic. Eugenio, Walker Buehler, Verlander, Pink Hyper, numbered to 199, bloop, and a Cody Bellinger Mythical. All right, down to our last pack, guys. Topps Chrome. Can we get lucky? Candelario, Josh Hader, and we can. Mauricio Dubon, purple to 250. People sleeping on Dubon, man. I think this kid's going to have a breakout. But that's just me. Soroka was the last card there. Wow. So, did pretty well, to be honest with you. Let's take a look at some of the rookies and numbered cards. Kick the whole thing off with a base Jordan. Verlander to 199. Brusdar and Hilliard. Gonsolin 55. Morjan. Dustin May. Then some Series 2 rookies. Some Topps update. There were a couple good ones in here. Malik Smith. Mike Clevinger. Tim Anderson. Wilson Contreras and Aaron Nola. 2020 score. I got the Justin Herbert, Jalen Hurts, and Joe Burrow. Also got the Jerry Jeudy scorecard out of there. Air Marshals 2015. D'Andy Drew, Chris Conley. Some 2016 Series 1. Stephen Piscotty rookie. Dansby Swanson, the prospects. It's a cool looking card. Byron Buxton, numbered to 2019. And you got Danny Jansen, Underwood, and Bowers rookies. Nobody notable. Dylan Cousins, maybe the best one out of 2014 Bowman draft. Brian Lippincott, that one was numbered to 250, orange paper. New Age Performers of Jordan Alvarez, David Fletcher, Kyle Wright, Duggar Plum, Jonathan, those freaking cards. Bowers. Then we got Dylan Cease, Babe Ruth, Willie Castro, and Dustin May. And the good stuff. Dubon to 250. Trace Barrera to 50. Card number 48 of 50. Jordan to 99. Cody Reed. Michael Pittman Jr. Silver Hollow Air Marshals Aaron Rodgers and Silver Hollow Jamison Crowder rookie. Aaron Nola rookie auto. Matt Chapman with a bonus piece in the bat. Michael Baez and Bo Bichette quad. Very nice break. All right, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be entering a bunch of breaks this weekend, and we'll see how that goes. I'll make sure to open them on camera for everybody to see. Stay safe out there. Have fun. And go watch the movie 42 again for my man Chadwick. All right? Have a good one. And I'll talk to y'all later.